Welcome back from my daily report market analysis video with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech. On Friday, the 3rd of April, we're going to have a look at dollar yen now. Dollar yen has been corrective for a while now, but it's started to pick up a bit. There was a positive candle on the chart, on the daily chart yesterday, and that's continued today. And there's been an upside break actually, 108 figure, 61.8% fib. Basis resistance in the last couple of days has been broken to the upside, and we're starting to see these momentum indicators just turning around again. The question would be if this is just a pause within the selling phase, or is it a new phase higher, or is it just a consolidation? I think until you see a move above 108.70 on a closing basis, I think that this is just a pause. I'd still expect to see dollar yen lower in the coming weeks, but for now, we're seeing the market picking up. Now, as I said, 108.70 is that reaction low that we saw from Tuesday, and then 109.05 beyond that, which is that reaction high from from Friday, last Friday. But it's just sort of turned a near-term corner. Momentum has just picked up today. We've broken up above the pivot line here at 108.20, which is an interesting pivot line actually. So that becomes initially supportive now. On the way back, and also today, kind of on a consistent basis, almost for hours, you saw dollar yen holding at 107.80. This line here, which is again another sort of basis of a bit of a pivot. So that's a decent support now, 107.80 to 108.20 for this little tick higher. But as I said, needs to move above 108.70 on a closing basis, I think, to really suggest that the move is starting to turn a bit more dollar positive again, as opposed to this arguably choppy phase of trading that we've seen in the last few days. Payrolls today is going to be obviously important, I think, on a near-term basis, going to create some volatility. But ultimately, we still expect to see the yen outperforming the dollar, I think, in an ongoing basis in the coming weeks. And subsequently, I'd expect to see dollar yen coming lower, but at the moment we're ticking higher. But ultimately, it could then produce the next opportunity to sell, I think. But seems a little bit choppy on a near-term basis now. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. You can click here to sign up to our webinars, and also go to our website. Sorry, click here to subscribe to our videos and sign up to our webinars on our website. And we've got a payrolls webinar this afternoon, which you can join. So I wish you good luck in your trading.